Most people believe there's one Medicare plan that's better than all the others, a gold standard that everyone should choose. But the truth is, Medicare is personal. The plan that works perfectly for your neighbor could be completely wrong for you. And making the wrong choice can cost you thousands of dollars over time. So stay with me, because in this video, I'm going to show you when a Medigap plan is not your best option. And at the end, I'll explain the one situation where Medigap actually becomes unbeatable. When you first enroll in Medicare, you have two main paths. You can stay with Original Medicare, which is Part A and Part B, and then add a Medigap plan to help cover what Medicare doesn't pay, plus a separate Part D prescription drug plan. Or you can choose a Medicare Advantage plan, which bundles hospital, medical, and usually drug coverage into one plan through a private insurance company. You can't have both, and no matter which option you choose, everyone still pays the Part B premium. In 2025, that amount starts at $185 per month and can be higher depending on income. If you're considering a Medigap plan, timing is critical. Your best chance to enroll is during your Medigap open enrollment period, which lasts for 6 months after you first enroll in Part B. During this window, you can get any Medigap plan available in your state without answering health questions. Miss this window, and you could be denied coverage later due to your health, which is something many people don't realize until it's too late. Now let's talk about cost, because this is one of the biggest reasons Medigap isn't the right fit for everyone. Medigap plans offer excellent coverage, but they come with higher monthly premiums. When you add your Part B premium, your Medigap premium, and your Part D drug plan, many people are paying $300 or more per month before they even visit a doctor. On top of that, Medigap premiums often increase every year, sometimes by 10 to 20% or more. If that kind of cost makes you uncomfortable, a Medicare Advantage plan might feel more manageable because of its lower monthly premiums. Another situation where Medigap may not make sense is if you're in great health. If you rarely see the doctor, take few prescriptions, and stay active, you might feel like you're paying for coverage you don't use. Medicare Advantage plans can be a good fit in this case because they keep monthly costs low while still protecting you with an annual out-of-pocket maximum if something unexpected happens. Just keep in mind that switching from Advantage to Medigap later may require medical underwriting, and that can limit your options. Some people also choose Medicare Advantage because of the extra benefits. Medigap plans focus strictly on covering medical costs, but they usually don't include things like dental, vision, hearing aids, gym memberships, or over-the-counter allowances. Many Medicare Advantage plans include these extras at no additional cost, and some even give monthly credits for everyday health items. For many seniors, these added benefits make a big difference in quality of life. Where you live also matters. In some parts of the country, Medicare Advantage plans have excellent provider networks, strong hospital partnerships, and even $0 premiums. If your doctors are in the network and your medications are covered, an Advantage plan can be a very convenient option. The key is always to verify your doctors and prescriptions before enrolling, because networks can vary by area. Another reason people choose Medicare Advantage is simplicity. Instead of juggling multiple plans, multiple cards, and multiple companies, you have just one plan and one card. For many seniors, that simplicity brings peace of mind and makes healthcare easier to manage. Now, here's where Medigap truly stands out. If you travel frequently, whether you're visiting family, RVing, or spending part of the year in another state, Medigap gives you unmatched freedom. Any doctor or hospital in the country that accepts Medicare will accept your Medigap plan.
Oh.
There are no networks and no worries about out-of-area coverage. If flexibility and nationwide access are important to you, and the budget works, Medigap can be the smartest long-term choice. At the end of the day, there's no single best Medicare plan for everyone. There's only the plan that fits your health, your budget, and your lifestyle. Millions of people are happy with Medicare Advantage, and millions are happy with Medigap. The key is choosing based on your needs, not someone else's opinion. If you're still unsure which option is right for you, let us know in the comments what situation you're in, and we'll help guide you. And if you want more clear, simple Medicare guidance like this, make sure to subscribe to Medicare Made Easy so you never miss an important update.